to all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
I thank BSc and CDSL for organizing some investor awareness program in the place of Deoghar. And so we are all here to mainly to look at the participation of investors in the capital market in the state of Jharkhand, mainly Deoghar. But before coming here, I was just was very curious to know about the state of Jharkhand, the economic progress, what they made. And I was going through the economic survey of Jharkhand. The gross state domestic product at constant price of state for the year 21-22 was 2,36,816 crores and expected to be 2,55,372 crores in 22-23. It recorded a growth of 8.2% in FY 21-22 and estimated to grow by 7.8% in 22-23. Another parameter which we have looked at, the per capita income at constant price in 21-22 was rupees 55,126 and estimated to be 58,819 for 22-23. The most interesting aspect what we noticed that the growth rate in Jharkhand for last few years has mostly remained higher than the national average. And this state accounts for 40% of mineral resources in India. With available resources and inherent potential of the state of Jharkhand can speed up its growth rate with the adequate support to its industrial, education and health sector. Hence, this state has a high potential for economic growth and therefore the need for people to become more aware of about the investment and personal finance. I'll just give you a brief market statistics.
Sir, I want to request if you are easy with Hindi, please.
Okay. Sorry sir, actually तो मेरा हिंदी तो इतना अच्छा नहीं रहेगा, तो अगर ऐसा करते हैं ज़्यादातर आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर सब हिंदी में लेते हैं और मेरा स्पीच थोड़ा ब्रीफ ही रखता हूँ. प्लीज बियर विथ मी. So the market statistics of Jharkhand, that is, we saw that number of broker terminals around 7,700. Then UCC, number of UCC, what we call it as a state address, there are 35 lakhs. Number of demat account 20 लाख और म्यूचुअल फंड फोलियो है 31 लाख और इसमें AUM होता है 46,000 crores एज अगेंस्ट डीमैट अकाउंट फॉर इंडिया में पूरा 12 crores. And the folio in mutual fund is 15 crores and AUM hota hai 43.2 lakh crores. So there is a clear growth over the last year in the Jharkhand about the capital market, what are the progress we have seen it, and there is a clear scope for increase in coming years. As I promised, I will be keeping very brief about my speech. Any investor in the capital market should know what is the role and objective of SEBI. So we might have heard that SEBI is her investor ki takat. Why we say that? Because we have three objectives: protecting the interest of investor, development of the capital market, and regulating the securities market. So whatever the initiative you take, what are the steps you take, whatever the action we also take, it leads to the protecting the interest of investor. So basically we are saying that informed investor we mainly focus, and that is possible through education and awareness, and informed investor is a protected investor. And for the first time investor, if it is, we need that he should be hand holding. For the existing investor, you must protect his whatever is deeds and all that if he has done as per the act, so that it can attract new customers, new investors. But I must say that before I conclude little bit, there is a risk element in the capital market. So investors should be aware of it, what is the risk he is taking and his risk taking ability. And in my opinion, you should not first jump to investing shares and by buying and selling the shares. If he is so not aware of the market, he should go through the mutual fund, because mutual fund there is a fund manager, they have a research reports, they can inform decision on behalf of the investors. So it is advisable to beginner, you can go for a mutual fund, and the existing people, they can understand the risk of the product, then they can invest in the share market. One more caution I have, that we have noticed that there are certain tips. People, they give some tips to that gullible investors, and they are prey of such tips and they lose the money. So you should avoid such